we are going to review what we learned about last week today so we can get started with our math lesson. Now, last week we heard about this super strong word, and I know you can tell me what that word means because I saw awesome responses on Seesaw. What does the word partition mean? Partition means we are going to divide or break apart a shape into equal parts. Now, we also learned another vocabulary word last week, and that word was half or halves when we were talking about multiple halves. So we learned that we can break shapes like circles and rectangles and partition them into equal parts. Today we're still going to be doing some work there, but we are standing outside of a pizzeria. So we're not going to the bakery today, we're going to the Frez Pizzeria today. So I'll see you inside. You made it inside the Frez Pizzeria. Now, I was thinking back to the really great work you did at the bakery last week. We had so many customers that were so happy because you were able to look at the orders. You decided if you were going to partition your shape vertically or horizontally. And today, we're going to be doing the same thing, but instead of having cookie cake and regular cake, what are we going to have at a pizzeria? We are going to have some pizza. So I'm going to show you one whole pizza, and I can call this my whole because it's not been partitioned yet into halves. So right now we have one whole circle pizza, and I'm thinking about the ways that you decided to partition your cookie cakes and your cake last week at the bakery. So some of you decided to partition your cookie cake horizontally. So let's partition this pizza horizontally. Some of you decided to partition your cookie cake vertically, so we're going to partition this pizza vertically. And then I was thinking, wait a minute, not all of our whole pieces of pizza that we eat are circles. If we were at the Frez cafeteria and we were all eating lunch together and going through the lunch line, what shape is the pizza at Frez? The pizza at Frez is a rectangle. So right now I'm going to show you a whole rectangular pizza. You ready? Now our whole is a rectangle. Now let's think back to the way that you partitioned your rectangular cake last week. Some of you decided to do it horizontally. Some of you decided to partition your rectangle cake vertically, so I'm going to do the same thing to my whole rectangle pizza right now. But what if I showed you this? What do you think about this pizza? Did I partition this pizza into equal parts? Are both of our halves, are they both equal to each other? They are. So what we know now is that when we have a rectangle, we can partition it horizontally, vertically, or diagonally from one corner all the way to the opposite corner, and we'll still get equal parts. So today, your job is to go back to Seesaw, and you're going to have some shapes that are going to be the exact same size, and you are going to have to partition them vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. Now, you made the customers at the bakery super happy, so I know you are going to do the exact same thing at our pizzeria. Go pick some pizzas.